Hello, welcome at forextrading.com. Today we have Monday, 21st November, and right now is 25 minutes after 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and right now we are looking at S&P 500 contracts daily chart. And right now it might be not so clear that we see here a very nice triangle pattern. Let's take a look at 4-hour chart. You see here much better. Then we are having this downtrend movement from this triangle pattern. And I was saying like a week ago, exactly 7 days ago, I was saying in different many analysis that there is probability about 60-70% that market will be going through this downtrend movement from this triangle pattern. Why it is happening like this? Well, it is very simple. First of all, the market was accelerating an uptrend, but you see here this move right here. It looks like a half dome. The market have slowed down with its acceleration, and the triangle pattern right here, it is showing us that the buyers are really not coming to the market. That's what really is showing to us. So looking at the strong or weak demand or supply, we might consider the market going up or higher with different probability. And if you've seen this kind of market like 10 or 50 times before, or many traders trading many years see it like 500 times in their lives, or maybe less, more, in different instruments. It depends also how many different instruments you are following. Then you really know, or you can show to other people what kind of probability are we talking about when the market will start to go lower. Well, first of all, here we got this beautiful test from support resistance. Market came down lower. Right now it's staying at this level comfortably, so it's really showing us that market might be going lower, volatile. But right now I'm not sure if the market's gonna hit the lows. Let's go back to the daily market, daily chart. The market was moving pretty much strong here. So what I'm thinking about at this place, it is rather a corrective wave, like a bigger breath, not the market hitting new lows around here. And it might be visible, more visible at 4-hour chart, as the market is hitting like A, B, C kind of movement. So we'll see what market will show us, but be careful with those downtrend movement from this pattern, because the market, as soon as the informed money will be stopped out, some dump money will come into the market, and the market will turn back to the upside, because it's really a growing trend instrument, at least most of its time. At currencies, what you see here, the market is going in kind of word correlation. It's moving lower, so we see different currencies going down as well. But be careful as well. As far as I can see, many differences between the pound dollar and euro dollar 4-hour charts. For example, here you have kind of movement when the market hit new lows, breaking out or plunging from this beautiful big flag we are talking about like a month ago. And right now we are looking at new lows, coming back to some higher levels, and trying to make new lows again. So we might be seeing ABC move. It depends on support resistance. So we are talking about possible volatile market drop again, and it would be pretty much natural looking at the technical analysis and this chart, but you have to be careful at this level, because right now the market is staying comfortable. If the sellers will not come to the market soon at those levels, well, the probability of market going down volatile is going down rapidly. So more market is staying at this level, less chances we have that market will hit new lows fast. And euro dollar chart looks very different from this one at pound we were discussing right now. First of all, we have ABC kind of movement stopped out here, and the market was really capable to move higher from those levels, straight higher. But we had some bad news coming from Eurozone. We have the Greek thing going on. So Eurozone has its different scenarios, different possibilities. Unfortunately, there are some strong problems that Europe have to cope with right now and in near and far future. So euro dollar really fundamentally, euro doesn't have too much strength right now comparing to dollar. Well, American economy isn't really the brightest one. I mean recent few years. But Eurozone right now is trying to cope with some bigger, fresh problems. So we have ABC kind of movement right here. The market tried to finish this ABC movement at some important support resistance. Look what happened here. Market really turned back, possibly moving higher and higher, but fundamental players came in and moved again, pushed the market lower. And right now we are talking about some equilibrium. Balance. I'm talking about the balance of buyers and sellers. So nobody's really buying, nobody really selling, unless some strong sellers will come in and break this support resistance zone, which looks kind of like this, right? So again, like at pound, we might see some strong sellers coming in. If not, some buyers might be coming in, or it will be a sideways movement waiting for its momentum to hit some lows or highs again. Anyway, we had some strong sellers here. We had it repeated a business from the flag. I was mentioning that it's a beautiful repeating pattern that we are talking about at Forex courses, how to use this kind of pattern at 4-hour and daily and 1-hour chart. And the market turned back to the upside, but there was no strong buyers. Market came in again to some lower levels, but it was a kind of dump money movement for me, or fundamental movement, because the corrective wave ABC was finished here, and somebody entering the market at those levels right here was taking a strong risk as his chest, because after this shooting out move, we have a strong risk coming over that the market will go down and try repeat its growth again, because we've seen some bigger correction right here. But right now we are at different level. I was mentioning we'll see another sellers. If not, a sideways movement will occur, and might be some buyers coming in. So shortly, if some sellers, strong sellers, will not come in and accelerate this movement, which would be very nice for me, because I like this kind of gameplay. Only it's a kind of dump money movement right here after those corrections. So you have to remember about that. Well, there are many things to mention right now, but this is a just short video analysis. At Forex courses, we are talking about is like 20, 25, sometimes many more hours, which I'm really suggesting there are some risk involved, like daily move at currency, like fundamental players coming in at the market, like fresh economic news coming out each hours at the market. There are some things you have to know, and there are not to mention like in 5-minute video. So if new sellers will come into the market, we might see some acceleration, but it might be kind of dump money movement. If not, we might see kind of dome pattern that market will be coming to its comfortable level and turn around to the upside again. So we have like two options like usually. So right now I'm wondering how low the S&P 500 might be dropping here. We'll see how it goes. I was mentioning there are some risks going with this movement as well, because it is really growing trend instrument, S&P 500. So you have to be cautious when you're entering the market. Here we got some support resistance, which I'm mentioning. And you have to remember that some of the movement, volatile movement, isn't really meaning that we have strong sellers coming in at the market. It might be also depending on lack of stability at the market. or lack of buyers coming in at the market, like sellers taking over the market at short time, then the market shoots out after this kind of sellout. So there are a few types of the sellouts, few types of the movements. There's many things to discuss. I hope you'll see some more interesting analysis at our forextrading.com website, and I see you sometimes probably at Forex online courses. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have a great week of trading. Thank you.